The show all the way from Accra to here is not small.
Okay.
Yeah. So Ataaka is my region.
Okay.
So I said, I was having some program at Techima.
Okay. Wow.
So I said, no, I should put the program aside and to come and support here.
So you came all the way from south to support Ataaka.
That's Spinters Road.
Yeah. That's straight from his heart. That's a die-hard blood brother love that he's showing in Ataaka. So when you are here in Ali Obama Sports Stadium, your general assessment about this concert. What are the flops and the rises and general things you see about it?
Oh, like the show is. I'm really feeling because as they made like the light out, my heart was not there.
Okay.
But later on the light time, I can see the crowd, okay. I can see people inside, and big shout out to all Tamale people. They love the music. If you want to be saddened or some places, after the 9 to 10, you can see crowd like this. So I'm really appreciating big.
Okay, so you are an artist, right?
Yeah,
so
I'm an artist.
What can you promise your fans out there this 2024? What can you promise your fans out there? Like, be it a concert or an album or anything?
Yeah, come again.
I'm saying we are in 2024.
Yeah.
What are you promising your fans out there? Is it that can you promise them a show, an album, or something big from your?
Yeah, for sure. My show is loading May, 4th May.
Okay.
4th May, Youngest Pop.
Okay.
4th May, Youngest Pop. I'm dropping concert there.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, that is the King GH, all the way from southern part of Ghana. He came up or down here to support a brother.
Come on, how?